At the vents.
What is this? Yo, ano to? Oh, my God.
Para Mr. Peace challenge.
What the hell? Oh my God.
What the frick? What the hell? Yo, ano to?
Wala kaming pakialam!
Virus.
Ganda na antidote na. Apple juice.
Go. Okay, what are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? Tara, sundan yung mga marunong. Sundan yung may pet. Ay, meron palang arrows. Yo, the antidote. Ano yung antidote? Mukhang potion. Ay, I can't get... Pag ikaw may isang antidote, bawal ka na pumunod ng iba.
Yeah, no shit, Sherlock.
Okay, I see.
Sayang. Sabunan sana ako.
Uy, uy, uy! Ba't may mga namatay? Di sila nakapulot ng antidote. Di sila nakapulot ng antidote. Yes, we're all... Buhay si Eli. Zeph, buhay ka?
Hey,
Bro, you hiding somewhere, bro?
This game you'll be on the top for.
Tol, kaboses niya si Goofy. Oh, fuck. What the f*** is this? Wow.
dude, yun na nag-narrate ng numbers ang pangit.
Okay, it's not. Okay, it doesn't seem too hard. I hope I don't regret it later. Yo. Uy, si Zach. What? Yun lang yun? What is this? What is this?
Mag-speedrun tayo.
Ba't bigla siya?
Stop the cap! Stop the cap right now! Stop the cap! No bullshit, bro!
Wait, get a jetpack off the floor. I got a jetpack. Yo! Nope, I got this. Oh, that's why. That's why we need a jetpack. Yes, I got another one though. Yo! Stop stealing jetpacks, man.
Wala.
Eli! No! Eli was a sacrifice. Yo, what's up, Zeph? What's up, Zeph? My brethren. Alright, what is this? May patayan ba dito? 1v1?
This game you'll be on the conveyor belt.
Conveyor
You'll
belt.
need to dodge the objects coming down the conveyor belt. Alright.
Ano to? Alright. What the f***? Yo! Uy! No! Zeph! Bro!
Okay lang yan.
Lahat kayo namatay. Wait, what the fuck? Bro, how? You about to revive?
Never die.
Putik, yun nga yung budget ko ng Robux.
Uy!
No! Why do we have this? Ano to? Ay, gagi Russian roulette. Wait, bro.
Pinagara ko si Day, i-spam mo, tsaka
No,
ang
si Zep!
botet ako
But si
talaga.
Zep! 30 seconds to...
Help me!
Help me! Bro, sino nag-kill? We see. I'm just gonna spare all of them, bro.
Help me!
Please help.
Help
May ano sa...
Grabe kayo! Pag pinatay niyo, racist kayo. Bro, ang bibilis ng games. Yo, come here. Come here, man. There we go. 2 ninjas. Uy, tara, sapa ka na. Ang guess
Uy, sa
eliminate yung...
British. Para siyang British.
Nako pre, dapat... Wish ko... Ginamit yung paa. Ano yun? Patay tayo lahat? Yo, ano to? Okay, okay. Yo, where's our weapon at? Uy! Gagi! Ba't ako? Oh, paltuan. Uy, uy. Ano to? Vicious Bee? Pre. Yo, whoa! Oh, we're gonna play. It's a
Ay,
fit.
ito yung ginagawa niyo.
Gagi!
Ito yung ginagawa niyo. Ito yung ginagawa niyo.
Pre, mamamatay ako dito. Bro, muntik na mamatay. Oh, no! Uy, si Sep sinipa. No, no, no! I'm alive. Ano yun? Ba't may bomba? Oh, God. Do not ever... Uy! No! Oh, shh! No, si James! Uy, gagi, sinusundan ako ng bomba. What is this? Ba't ako connected sa bombs? Nice! It is damage to him. Uy, si Zeb, binabuli! Oh, James! LeBron James! Get the bomb. Oh no, I'm about to get kicked. Ow, shit! No. Ba't ako? Oh, no! Oh, got up. Yes. Come here, bro! Ala, let's go! I got the last hit. Oh, ano, ba't ka... Nag-easy. Tapos may second phase. Pre, tinamay pa. Ang realistic. Let's go, bro. Three, two, one, go! Hey, what's up? Sorry, I know I should be minding my own business, but what's all that red? Oh no! Don't mind it. It was just an accident. I got some stuff on my clothes. Oh,
Well, I need
shit.
some stuff.
That's why I'm here in the first place. It smells pretty bad. Are you sure it's not something else?
Mas ano
What are you
lang pala,
talking about?
expired
I'm
ketchup.
trying to wash my clothes.
So, expired ketchup lang pala.
Tol, also, yung pinaka-suspicious yung van. The van, bro.
Where's my money?
Ay!
No, yung pera. No, di ba kami pinapayaran? Come here,
Hoy! Hoy! Yung pera mo!
Yung pera namin!
I'm gonna kill the damn bird. The wash.
Oh!
What? Anong ginawa niya?
Ay, kumuha ng fire extinguisher!
Ay, baliw!
Anong ginawa na sinulog niya ng invisible?
Si pare ay may superpowers. That sounded like a scream. Oh god. Oh, call. I heard the scream that sounded. This one.
Tingin natin yung bin doon sa labas. Tingin natin yung bin.
Ah. I think bro, I think you died. Uy, nagulat ako doon! Ano ba? Up.
Yung ano?
The cops.
Yung ano?
The cops.
Okay, tara. Sunduin mo lang kami. Sunduin mo lang
Wala
kami,
sa-
please. Sunduin mo kami.
Pag yan yung, oy, baka yan yung murderer tol. Watch this, yan yung
Okay,
murderer.
never mind.
Watch this.
Tayo.
Oh, Obama?
The police.
Where did you hear the scream from? It sounded like it came from a store across the street. Okay, just like I said, yeah, stay here. I'll be back. Tol, sunduin mo kami! Tol, yung police dito walang kwenta.
Yeah, no shit, Sherlock.
Bro, shut
Sarado
the
yung pinto.
door.
Okay na sana. Pwede mag-crouch?
Oh! What the hell?
Oo.
Oh! Whoa!
Okay, anong nangyari?
What the hell?
Ah!
Oh, yan na. Oh, pinakahihintay. Oh, yep, I knew it. Get the damn gun. Oh,
Oh!
stab to death.
Sa baka no?
How did bro bring a knife to a gunfight and still won? Bro is built different. Oh!
Oh!
Oh no. Let's go, bro.
Alright.
Ah!
Oh, hell!
Oh, it's you! You boss! Oh, okay.
You!
Where are you? Come here! Bro, no way. No way you're that slow. No way you're that slow, bro! Ain't no way ganyan kakabagal. Ain't no way ganyan kakabagal, pao! Ain't no way! Oh! Oy! Oy! Ah! Oy! Liga dito ako! Oy! Oy! Oh, he's back!
Boy, sa ganun.
Oh!
No! Enki!
Oh, different. Oh, ano yan? Ano yan? Second form?
Exercise!
Oh! Wow! Oh!
Sinasabi ko yan, hindi na mabagal na. Sinasabi ko mabagal.
Oh!
Sabi!
Nah, bro. Ah, bro, trippy. Oy!
Uy!
Ano ba yan, tol? Patay na to agad eh.
Good super!
Wow!
Hindi pa naman patay sa ano.
Tol, ang hirap naman na ito. Tol, kalaban natin si Superman. Isip, ganito. Start still. Hindi, ganito. All way, shoot. Now run. Reload.
Uy, mas mabilis na.
Stand still. Oh! Okay, Zeb, hindi siya one shot. Hindi siya one shot. Nalaman ko lang, hindi one shot. Lumakas na ako eh. Sabi ko sa'yo, Zeb, gagana yan, oh. Papatay ka. Oh! Ano yan? Pabarana pack siya? Pre, maduga naman.
Papanik siya.
Ang duga naman.
Sasabihin niya, I'll come back stronger.
Detective Scar, let's go.
Be honest, ba't parang feeling ko bad idea? Tapos nandito yung killer, no? Nandito yung killer sa Liga ng...
Oy, canon ending. Let's go. Tal, ilang shots na kain dun? Ilang shots? 32.
Siguro sa tagal... Wala, dig si 6 bullets na, di ba? So, 12, 24, 36, 48. At least 60. Naka at least 60 shots tayo
60
doon.
bullets ang putik.
Hindi ko siya kita eh. Saan mo siya? Pwede mo siya lumabas dito. Wala. Tara natin yung palabas eh. Tara, palabas na.
Bawal.
Oh!
What's up, bro? Kaya wag mo ba rin? Mamamatay tayo.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the man? Get your ass on.
Oh!
Better luck in the next life. Wow.
Up.
Ako sure.
Walang badge, pre. Bruh.
Oh.
Si Kuya kasi mukhang magpapakamatay kasi
Samahan yan at all ko, sasamahan ko yan.
I want bread.
Bibili pa ka na.
Bibili ko,
Oy!
sorry.
Nag-glitch yung screen ko.
Si Edo, hinabol ng baboy sa kamanot.
Kaya nga tawag barn stars kesa naman umabot sa'yo tao.
Fortnite Battle Pass.
Uy, Fortnite.
Palakpakan natin dyan.
Fortnite Battle Pass.
Wait, ikot na.
I just shit in mess. Bros playing GTA, what the f***?
He's gonna do a break dance. You're like, go. Yo!
Oh, damn, boy! Damn, boy! Damn!
Kuya Kaz, ba't bigla ka naman nag-AFK? Lumilipad lang, oh.
Bros hacking! Guys,
Uy, nag-backflip!
Sa night to na lang ako misali, mamaya na daw ako.
O-order ko ng order na may order kasamang order na may kabaw at sabong. May order. May order. I want to see your manager.
Out of order yung
Let me see your
Miles,
manager. Let me see your manager.
Our manager is dead. Our manager is dead.
Why? What happened?
Because you
I
killed him.
killed him.
Should I be roaming around? I don't think I should be roaming around like this.
Ah, shit, yung baboy na mo nandito sa akin.
Kuya, behind you!
Yo,
Behind
Suji,
you!
what's up?
What's up,
Ay,
man?
gago baboy.
Check
Tol,
the
tol,
office.
mamatay na
What
ako.
is this? Ano is this?
Tol.
Bye-bye. BLDT, ano na? Ay,
Tol, mamatay tayo.
Diyan yung baboy sa labas.
Router not detected.
Oo, yung baboy na
Router not
gusto mo ba makita? Wait lang.
Enter.
Wala pa ba? Wait lang, dadalhin ko dito yung baboy na. Oh, bitch!
How do I do this? I don't know. I don't get it.
Enter, asan ka?
What the beds?
Teka dito. Saan ka ba, Enzo?
Guys, nabuhay ka nun. Oh my god.
Oh,
I'm out. I'm out. Nah, they're bad out, Jan. You're big. You're big food, bro.
Bro, I'm gonna cook his ass. Uy, gagi, oxygen doon. Yung oxygen.
Alam ko.
Pre, wala
Nakita ko.
na tayo oxygen car. Wala na tayo oxygen gawin.
Tol, ilan na lang yung oxygen?
Is there any ano? Is
Bro,
there
Hindi
any...
ko alam. Paano ko makikita yun?
Nandun sa ano, lobby.
sa lobby.
Ano ba to?
Wait lang, di ko mahanap yung oxygen room.
Oh!
Okay, yo. Oh, it is risk. Wait, I think it's chain. I think it's a...
boy!
Look at you. Dining area. Oh, no!
Guys, saan tayo?
Pana dyan.
It's danger.
Oh, ilay. I-raise up mo ngayong baboy. Ito, fuse box. Ano tong fuse box? Oh my, what is this?
Ako nga, one eh.
Pre, we need to go there. We need to go there.
Wait, saan kayo?
Did I fix the power?
Yan, si Kuya Bogart nandito.
Let's go, I got the power.
This one.
Let's.
Nasa akin ang baboy. Uy, baboy.
Bro, there's a vent.
Ya están aquí las figuras de acción de Among Us, tripulantes super graciosos con...
Nandito si...
Yo.
We're at the party room. We're at the party.
Finally. Uy, Silog Haven. Top Silog Haven. Go.
Oh, hell nah. Okay, this is the worst part. Ayoko to worst part.
Masakit ka na ako.
I'm in the generator room. Oh, it's good power to.
Fix it. You can't fix the other one.
Bro, header, dead.
Oh, I died.
What? Nandyan si Baboy? Or yung...
Yes, he's just come. Something there.
Sabi mo, nandito yung Baboy.
Yes, it's there. It's right there. Pre, isang fuse na lang, pwede mo na siya ma-repair yung ano, yung... Wait, I'll do this. Bakit?
Bro, you got one life.
Wala kaming pakialam!
But there's no one there. There's no one there.
Oh my god.
But there's no one there. There's no one there.
Try ko nga, guys.
Eli, no.
Ay! There's no one. Damn it.
I'm dead!
Shit.
Iyan mo, fix mo yung box. Fix mo yung box, right?
Wait lang, FL lang ako. Sabi niya pagtapos na.
I got it.
Nice. Activate the power. Activate. There we go.
Ayun!
Yes, bakit na lobby? Ah!
Check the time. Check the time.
Saan yung clock? Oh,
Oh, it's 5:59.
We're about to win. What the f*** that?
Here's
Tarantado!
something, bro. I hear something, bro.
I saw it. Bro, this has got to be the longest 1 minute of my entire life. Let's go!
Finally!
Finally, bro.
Okay, this game is freaking suck. I don't know, bro.
What did he say?
Scary, bro.
Guys, I'm back!
Eli, you...
Ah,
Night
okay.
one completed!
Nice.